Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another day. We're in here doing another popcorn removal, this time in a garage. And one thing I just wanted to show you real quick, you can see right up here, this thing has got this massive crack and you can't really even tell by the video, but that sucker is hanging down like an inch, maybe even 2 inches off. So when I jump up here, you can see how much that ceiling is moving. Now, most of the time when people see that, they assume immediately, we gotta rip the board down. And honestly, as long as the board is still strong, it's still got the integrity that it needs, most of the time you can get it put back up there. Now, the reason that this happens is because back in the day, in the 70s, 80s, and all the way before that, they used to hang all this sheetrock with nails. And nails and gravity don't go together, especially in a hot, humid garage like we have down here in Florida and like in most other places across the country. So instead of using nails, we're gonna get this guy pushed back up here. We're gonna use screws so that that board doesn't back out, and we're gonna make this garage look beautiful. So anyway, have a good day. We'll see you next time. Semper Fix.